Looking for a vacuum that combines power, precision, and German engineering? The Miele Blizzard CX1 Turbo Team might be exactly what your home needs. Right from the start, this vacuum stands out with its bagless design, giving you strong performance without the hassle of replacing bags. But what really matters is performance. The Blizzard CX1 delivers high suction power, making it perfect for both hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. Dust, debris, pet hair, it handles everything with ease. One of its standout features is the Vortex technology, which creates powerful airflow to separate fine dust from larger particles. This not only improves cleaning efficiency, but also keeps the filter cleaner for longer. Speaking of filters, it uses a HEPA air clean filter, which captures fine dust and allergens, a great advantage if you care about air quality at home. The included turbo brush is especially effective for carpets and rugs, lifting dirt and hair with ease. And thanks to its canister design, you get excellent maneuverability. It glides smoothly across floors and easily reaches under furniture. Another big advantage is its durability and build quality. Miele is known for long-lasting products, and this vacuum feels solid and reliable. Emptying the dust container is quick and hygienic, with minimal contact with dust. Despite its powerful performance, it operates relatively quietly, making cleaning more comfortable. Whether you're doing a quick cleanup or a deep clean, this vacuum adapts to your needs. Efficient, powerful, and built to last, the Miele Blizzard CX1 is a premium cleaning solution that delivers every time. Check the link in the description to learn more.